This is Taj English Academy, YouTube English channel. I am your lecturer, Dr. Taj Firdausi. Good morning, Salam Alaikum, Sabah Noor. My dear viewers, ladies and gentlemen, my dear students, today I am going to tell you something about learning English through stories. कहानियों से हम अंग्रेजी सीखें. Come, let us learn English through stories. Let me start. Let me tell you something before I start the story. मुझे कहने दो ये कहानी शुरू करने से पहले. I read that when I was a small boy in my school days. I remember now, just now I remembered, and I'm telling you now. Not that I prepared, I planned now. For me, everything is instant, like instant coffee, Nescafe, put hot water, drink. So, what's that story? कहानी क्या है? Once, एक मर्तबा, एक दफा, एक वक्त, there was a crow. एक कौवा था. There was a crow. एक कौवा था. It was thirsty. वो प्यासा था. So, he flew here and there in search of water. पानी की तलाश में यहाँ वहाँ वो घूमा, उड़ा. He didn't find water. उसको पानी नहीं मिला. Didn't find, ना मिला. Then तब suddenly he saw ये pot. उसने एक बर्तन देखा. He went slowly with lots of hopes of water. पानी की उम्मीद लेके गया. He climbed up and sat on the vessel. पानी के पॉट पे बैठा. It looked down. उसने नीचे झांका. Wow! There was water. वहां पर पानी था. He was so happy. वो इतना खुश था. Suddenly, he was sad. वो उदास हो गया. Because, क्योंकि the level of water was not high. पानी का लेवल ऊपर नहीं था. It was very, very low. बहुत नीचे था. His beak, उसकी चोंच, his beak didn't reach the water. पानी को उसकी चोंच नहीं पहुंच सकी. So it thought, I want to drink water. I'm so thirsty. What should I do? What should I do? He started crying. Oh, I got water, but I can't drink. There is water, but I can't drink. It's not up. The water is not up to this level. Cried and cried. Finally, he remembered what his grandfather said, what its grandfather said. Oh, my dear son, there is a solution for every problem. Oh, मेरे बेटे, हर प्रॉब्लम का एक सल्यूशन है. Think, think. If you cry, it's not your solution. अगर तुम रोगे, वो solution नहीं है. Then the crow thought and thought and thought. तो वो कौवा सोचा, सोचा, सोचा. Suddenly, फौरन उसी वक्त दफअतन, he got the idea. उसको एक आइडिया आया. It flew down, वो नीचे गया उड़कर. Brought a pebble, और लेकर आया ये कंकरी, pebble, कंकरी, and dropped into the pot, pot में डाला. Again, दोबारा, it went down and brought another pebble, दूसरी कंकरी. Again, it flew down, brought another pebble, डालता, डालता. He dropped and dropped and dropped, and the level of water was coming up and up and up. Because pebbles were going down and water was coming up to the brim. ऊपर तक आ गया brim. Then the crow drank water. Good, good, good. And very happily he flew away. वो उड़ा खुशी से. My dear students, it's a very big advice. There is a big advice in this story. What's that? Many people come across problems. बहुत सारे लोग problems face करते हैं, आते हैं. Everyone has problems. Even a beggar, fakir bhi. Even an ordinary person, सादा मामूली इंसान तबके का. Even the rich people, मालदार के भी problem. Even the ministers, even the kings and the monarchs, everyone has some problem, some problem. हर एक के पास कुछ ना कुछ एक problem होता है. If you have any problem, what did the grandfather of the crow say? उसने क्या कहा था? Don't cry. Crying is not the solution. बैठ के आंसू बहाओ solution नहीं है. It's not going to help you. ये तुम्हें help नहीं करेंगे. The tears, ये आंसू will never help you. Instead, बदले में they will destroy your brain, your mind, your satisfaction, and it will affect your heart for nothing. You must remember, everything is from God. हर जो चीज़ आप देख रहे हैं, हो रहा है, उसकी मर्जी है. He. So, you just say, God, if this is what you want, I am with you. Please help me. You are always with me. If this is what happens to me, I know, मैं जानता हूँ, you know that. Please help me. Don't cry. Instead, मत रो, बजाय इसके, you pray and ask Allah. And God is always with you. When God is with you, no problem at all. दुनिया की कोई ताकत आपको परेशान नहीं कर सकती. You can smile. Even the problem becomes so small because the greatest Lord, the greatest God is the greatest. He is with you. Keep Him. That's all. Solution? क्या है solution? What's the solution? The crow gave us the advice. क्या नसीहत? Don't cry. Use your head. Your head. There is a solution for everything. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, my dear students. That's all for today. And you learned a very good story. And please, 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 share this lesson, this video, and TEA, Taj English Academy, to all your friends. To all your friends, because the more my students join, I will be very happy. Please remember, it's a free course. याद रखो ये कोर्स फ्री है. Slowly I am going to take you up. But remember, what I am teaching you is like a native speaker's language. It's not some other language which you find on the other channels. You are lucky that you are going to have me. And I'm lucky that you are going to work for me and share with all your friends and bring the groups of friends free of cost and learn English in a perfect way. All right, take care. Subscribe, Taj English Academy. Subscribe and let's go ahead with a great success. Masalam, take care, goodbye. Have a nice day.